Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be taking a look at how to customize your BSOD screen. So first of all, you're going to want to go and locate this file in Windows and open it up in Notepad, and then you're going to want to go to this section inside the file, and then in that section you're going to see these two text messages, and you're going to want to find those, and if you don't have them you're going to want to add them. And then this is the very easy part, and this is basically the last step. 0 to 9 goes in message back colors equal to, and A to F goes in message text colors equal to. And yeah, there you can change the colors of the background, which is back color, and foreground slash the text, which is text color, because the foreground is only the text. And yeah, that's it really. And yeah, have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.